Hello, I would like to address a problem that I was running into on YouTube for this last 10 days in a row, and for others months, for the past months. So it's the problem where when you go to upload a video, the video gets stuck in processing. It just keeps looping the processing message. Maybe you get to 25%, maybe you get to 99%, but no matter what, it's going to just say the video took too long. And if you've been looking for the solution, this is it. I'm just telling you, regardless of whether it should be an MP4 or not, regardless of the things that you've heard before, and I've looked through basically every avenue possible, Reddit, random question message board type stuff. And I tried it with some short videos. I tried it with long videos, and it was pretty consistent that they would just keep screwing up. I went to all these guys and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, here's the solution. So it turns out that when I went to put in a video, I noticed that the thumbnail part was acting up. I know this sounds really bizarre, but in this corner right here, there was there we go. It is a question mark. Now, normally you wouldn't think about this too much at all, but for whatever reason, when I thought about the thumbnail, I looked into the thumbnail problem just to say, hey, how do you add a thumbnail? Maybe if I added a thumbnail, maybe the video would work. Well, everything I looked into it didn't help me at all. But when I clicked this question mark right here, it brought up a confirmation that wanted me to check my email. So basically, you enter your email or whatever, you go to your email, you enter the password that they sent to you, and I entered it, and then the thumbnails worked, and curious, I loaded a video, and it worked. And I loaded 2 other videos, and it worked. And all evidence is pointing to the idea that seemingly that is all there is to it. That it was I believe it was sort of like a confirmation of following community guidelines. I think that's what it's basically telling you that the problem was. Like they wanted to, that's pretty much all there is to it, bizarrely. I don't know how else to explain it. I'm sorry if that solution somehow doesn't work for you. I know it doesn't really make much sense, but considering how much I had to go through just to find this solution, and it seems to be working really well, I thought I might as well put out this solution for other people to see. Again, when this pop-up shows up, it will actually be telling you to enter your email or something like that. Press a button there. It's pretty easy. Please tell me if I'm a fraud. I would love to know how successful this method is. And of course, it's worth mentioning that I had uploaded 2 videos on like June 30th or 29th, and there was no problem. And it was only right on July 1st that it suddenly just stopped. It would just refuse. It would not let you do it at all. Anyway, that's it. Say thank you in the comments, or cuss me out for betraying another hope for you. But I hope that this really did solve your problems, just as it did mine.